One of 8 inmates who escaped during a jailbreak on June 19 at the Black River Police Station lockup in St. Elizabeth was fatally shot during a confrontation with the police in Downs, Manchester on Saturday. Residents named the deceased as Dean Simpson, a resident of Turner Top in St. Elizabeth. He was in custody for robbery with aggravation. Senior police sources say Simpson is also suspected to have been involved in several armed robberies and murders committed in Manchester in recent weeks. Residents of Downs say Simpson was a known troublemaker in the community. At least we can have some peace of mind going into Christmas, a resident said. A police source said about 1 a.m. there was a confrontation between Simpson and the police near a nightclub, reportedly held up by Simpson. Police responded and Simpson reportedly opened fire. The gunfire was returned and he was hit. A firearm was seized. He was pronounced dead at hospital. A person of interest in the November 6 triple murder in Salt Spring, St. James, which tragically included 2 schoolboys among the victims, has been apprehended by the police. In a display of the Jamaica Constabulary Force steadfast diligence and commitment, alongside its law enforcement partners, a breakthrough was made in the pursuit of justice, the JCF said in a statement on Saturday. According to the police, on Friday between 3:30 p.m. and 8:30 p.m., a coordinated intelligence-led operation was effectively carried out in Barrettstown, St. James, culminating in the apprehension of the person of interest. This detailed operation, a joint effort between the JCF and the Jamaica Defence Force, targeted a guest house in Barrettstown, St. James. The joint security forces swiftly entered the premises, conducting a comprehensive search. The person of interest was found and detained. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is advising the public that the Golden Spring and Temple Hall main roads in St. Andrew are partially blocked. Additionally, in Clarendon, the Alley Bridge, Water Lane to Lionel Town, Kemps Hill to Maypen, and Bottom Hall main roads are currently impassable. As such, the JCF is urging motorists and pedestrians to use alternative routes and to observe and follow all road signs where possible.